What's going on, guys?
D5.
It's your boy, Start Freezing, baby.
Start up breathing.
Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm still breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm still breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip when you see me. 25 drip when you see me.
Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Starter Breezy, baby. Man, I can't even do this without smiling. Hold on. Beep. Action. 3, 2, 1. Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Starter Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might get me a bluesy. Yeah. Them ain't no fat girl thigh rubbing together, little daddy. Them Birdman hand, baby. You know why? I do this for me glad here, boy. Cause the Drip Network is taking over for the 99 and the 2000. You know what it is. Let's get to this money, baby. We ain't got time to flare around. This is no fluff YouTube. When you the greatest to ever do it, baby, you turn that mic on, that light turn red, boy, and that man be in the background and say, go. Boy, I start running my mouth. You understand what I'm saying? Can't nobody do this like me, man. I can sell water to a whale. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get to it. You see it. What you want me to say, man? I mean, hey, you know what? No matter what happens, bro, after this bear market, people are going to look back at Drip and be like, bro, I just got to salute this thing, man. It got me through the bear market. Because, you know, during the bull run, everything going to be up. Oh, man. Yo, everybody going to come back to YouTube. Everybody going to be doing videos. Everybody going to be doing the next 10X, 100X, and 10 altcoin challenge, and 50 altcoin challenge. And you watch and see. I've been through this a million times, man. That's how it go. But now, boy, slim pickings. Slim pickings out there, boy. Ain't nothing. Whoo, boy. It's rough out there. But this Drip, paying out that 1% every day. Doing exactly what they said they're going to do since day one. I'm going to pay you 1% of what you put in for 365 days. Huh? That's what I thought. And the thing is, it's getting harder and harder to find the FUD video. But it used to be all in right there in front of your face. You ain't had to go nowhere. Now you got to go search them. Where y'all at? You know why? Because they don't want to say my bad. They don't want to say I was wrong. They just want to move on like ain't that house. Instead of saying I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no more Drip to Zero videos and it's a scam and Forex got 1 million wallets and all this old stupid stuff. You understand what I'm saying? Because it's paying out. People are getting paid. And then they say, oh, well, yeah, this Drip is a cult. This Drip is maximalist and all this tribalistic. Bro, people are happy than what you want them to say. People are happy than making money. This is some people's first foray into crypto. This is some people's 15th foray into something. It's the first time they're actually making money. Something's actually doing what it said it's going to do. What you want them to say? You want to be quiet? You want to take this money and put it into something else and lose it like they've been doing? That's crazy. That is so crazy to me, bro. But they get mad because people are excited about making money. Like, I don't get it, man. You call it what you want. I don't care what you call it with me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me show you something else, too. And I got a little secret, boy, about the garden. The garden, baby. We're going to talk about the animal farm in just a minute. Hang on. We're going to talk about the animal farm. I got a little inside. You see what I'm saying? People be posted, bro. You know, they be happy. That's 2K. Somebody hit 2. They happy, bro. What you want them to say? Look at that. Woohoo. Like, you want to be mad? That's $14,000. They probably need to put that much in there. But through hydrating and all that, come on, bro. Y'all need to cut that out, man. Stop hating on people that's happy. Who get mad at somebody else's happiness? What is it? The panel person now accept the crypto payment. That's cool. No, that ain't what I want. Oh, there we go. I posted this earlier. Because I posted it like a couple of months ago. I was telling them, hey, the lithium stock, what? Now, see, that's why I need a members area. Because I do this, bro. It don't matter if it's a stock market. It don't matter whether it is real estate. I do this, bro. I got that. That was just a little test buy. I bought one little share of Disney to make sure my account was hooked up to the thing. But why? The lithium stock, what I'm trying to take, don't matter what the market doing. I know how to make money, bro. I see what's coming. You know what I'm saying? Even y'all late on Tesla. I've been had, man, y'all still talking about Netflix. Ain't nobody buying Netflix stock no more. Everybody streaming now, man. Come on, bro. I do this, man. This is toy play to me. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, let's move on, shall we? Oh, we gotta check that elephant money. Hold on now. Before we get to that animal form, I got a little secret to drop. Hold on, we gonna get to that. But I gotta check on this, y'all. I told y'all gonna keep showing. Ain't nobody else showing you their wallet, so I'm gonna show you mine. Let's get to it. Cause they'll show you this all day now. It's on the homepage. Scroll down. Oh, look at it. Ooh, boy, you think you done? Boy, ooh, look at that. Boy, you think you done 8X? Boy, look at it. Ooh, up and to the right, ain't it? Boy, ooh, all that money. Now let's check on my $2,000. Have I done doubled my money yet? My 2,000 should at least be at 3. Let's see where we at with it. Let's see where we at. This on the official site. I ain't doing nothing. This is on the site, Jack. I ain't going to Pancake Swap or none of that. This is on the site. Connect my wallet. We in there. Come on. $214. Woo! We need one of them hand clapper. Hey, man. I could be losing money, so that ain't even no BNB, bro. After a week, I made $214. But boy, you look at the chart though. But they take a look at that. Woo-wee, boy. Woo. I told you. Now I think I just be making it up. That it doesn't match the money, bro. It don't even. People ain't even got that much. And so here's the thing. I'm gonna get off this because I ain't trying to bash it. But here's the thing you need to know. The problem with it is even if like I'm gonna take Crypto Slow Wallet. Like I said before, this is the thing. Even if it goes up, you just going back to where you started. So if his Trilly was worth what, $600,000, and that's worth $100,000. So even if it 5X from here, that's just back to where it was. You see what I'm saying? He's just going back to where he started from. So I mean, not really started from, because I don't know what he put in, but I'm just saying where it was. It was 600,000. And the problem is you can't compare the drip because you ain't get no reflections and you ain't get no 1%. You just sitting here looking at a chart while your bills instead of coming in the mail. This ain't paying no bills, bro, unless you sell it. But anyway, man, that's enough of that. I ain't trying to bash it or nothing like that. I'm just saying the truth, man. I just want to tell the truth, man. Want to tell the truth. Oh, let me stop. YouTube already slapped me on the wrist now. You gotta be saying too much. Come on over here to another part of the secret card, baby. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me tell you this now. You ain't heard this from me, but I heard a little secret about this Animal Farm launch date, right? I heard Forex might drop this thing a little early. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying a little grapevine. You know what I'm saying? Now, you ain't heard that from me. Stunner ain't said nothing. I'm gonna pull the Donald Trump. I'm gonna plead the fifth. Not the fifth. The fifth. I'm gonna play. You ain't heard that from me. He might drop this thing like a Beyonce album on a Tuesday night at midnight. You know what I'm saying? You might have to head through the grapevine at the garden. The farm is open, baby. The farm is open. But, you know, he probably won't do announcements. I said something. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, he might come before the 18th. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, you ain't hear that from me. Let's check this price. 79. They ain't gonna show you that. They ain't gonna show you that. 79. That's what was 74? $5 rise. $5 per coin. That's a rise right there. You understand what I'm saying? If that were AVAX or Solana or something, you'll understand it. But let's check this money, man. Let's get to it. Ooh, boy, 495 thing might hit 500,000. It might not. I don't know. It's crypto. But let's check my wallet. I'm talking about my wallet. We're gonna connect my wallet. See what's going on. Where we at with it? Look at that. Ooh, boy, 2369. Remember last night? I forgot to don't plant the seed. That's why I didn't do it today. I let you see it. Last night I had 1975. So I got about really 2 hours before it be 24 hours. So let's say about just 2,400, 1975. So it ain't quite about $450, something like that. It's all right now. You know what I'm saying? Then somebody say, hey man, I got almost but what you got. I don't make that. Cause you keep selling, you keep hitting this, getting money. That's cool too. Get your money, player. I hits this. See this right here? I'm finna put this right back and it's gonna take me over $3 million. I'm finna put this $2,300 right back in there. You see what I'm saying? You know, you can have 10 people with the same amount of money. Everybody gonna get paid a different amount of liquidity pool tokens. It depends on how long you've been in here. It depends on how much you done compounded, how much you have claimed, how much new capital you've put in, how often you claim, how often you know what I'm saying? It's a lot. This thing is really technical. It is really, really technical, bro. So you gotta be, cognizant of what you're doing. That's why I always hit that plat. Even if I don't do it, I show you. I'll wait till the next day, and we're gonna see how much it's gonna take me over. I'm at 2.9 million. We gonna see how much it's gonna take me over. I'm putting it, but that good money to have in my pocket. I want that too. But you gotta have discipline. If you have a plan, I told you, I'm gonna get this fat as I can before the 18th. So this can be paying me out way more than this. If I fatten this up, it's going to pay me out way more than this. You understand? You got to look beyond today if you believe in the platform. If not, take your money. Ooh, 4 million. Bank tell them I'm coming for you. You better post another update. I know what you had, 11 million or something like that. I'm coming for you, boy. You see that 4 million? And I started late. I'm a late comer to the thing. You know what I'm saying? There was some guy, but they was putting like, I think with that thing, like Thomas G put like 45,000, 75,000 day one or something like that. But I was like, yeah, I know they eat good. Oh man, I should have went. I'm a faucet guy. I went hard in the faucet. Now the garden was my idea. You know what I'm saying? It was my idea. But my plan was drip in and drip out. But Forex was saying that wasn't gonna work. He wanted to do it another way. That's why he created the liquidity pool, and that was brilliant. That was brilliant. I can't lie. He took the idea because come on, we need a miner. That's when the miner craze was out. Man, we need a miner for drip, And he couldn't figure it out. Like, hey, I don't want to just do drip in, drip out. I got to figure it out. And he put the liquidity pool on it. And here we are. You know what I'm saying? Almost, I don't know when this come out. It got to be almost a year for a miner that's going back up. Because everybody know the secret, Jack. Everybody hip to the secret. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, man, appreciate the notification game, man. I see y'all, man. I be looking when the video come out. I notification, man. Salute to y'all. I be wanting to start like a members area or something, man. But I need to do something else because even that's tied to YouTube. So YouTube shut it down. The members area gone, all that. So I don't know. I may do a Patreon or something. I don't know. I got to look into that stuff. I don't know nothing about that stuff, bro. None of it. Somebody sent me a link to Rumble or something. What the hell is that, man? I don't really know nothing about this stuff, man. So I'm gonna look into it, man, just for the exclusive, you know what I mean? But anyway, man, you have listened to the best to ever do it. Shout out to you. Shout out to everybody. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. You hit the subscribe button. Holla back at your boy, man. Hey, that thing might come a little early. It might come before the 18th. But you ain't hear that from me though. No, I'm just kidding. Shout out to y'all. Peace.